Inside this box is the Ace Magician Mini Gaming PC. It comes with the Ryzen 9 6900HX. This processor can go up to 4.9 gigahertz. It has a 32 gig of RAM. It comes with a 512 gigabyte of SSD storage. Let's open it and see how you guys like it. This one has a unique design, and I'm just gonna open it, guys. I needed that one to stream. So the model number is AMO8 Pro, 32 gig of RAM, 512 gigabyte of SSD storage. Wow, it actually very tiny. Okay, the power plug, HDMI cable, HDMI. This is the power brick, 119.7 watt. The manual book. Okay, this is the design, guys. This is the first time I have a mini PC. This is where the audio jack, USB 3.2, USB-C, USB-A, more USBs, HDMI. This can go 4K, and the Ethernet port, DC, IV. What's that? That's the locker. Wow, I got a lot of work to do. While I'm unboxing this, I just received my Elgato 4KX. So that's for another video. Okay, these are the performance modes where you can put it on silent, auto, and performance. For gamers, if you're gonna play games directly through this, you have to put on performance. For office work, regular work, maybe or silent and auto, like if you watch videos or you do different kind of stuff. So the side panel, you can easily remove it. As always, thank you for watching. See you guys next time.